In this video, I'm going to show you how to very easily install Google Chrome or pretty much anything else that has a Linux version in Manjaro. This is a freshly installed Manjaro XFCE, and I have just recently updated it to make sure it's all current. We're good. We're going to go to the package manager. On this particular one, it's right click and then click package manager. Updates, just to make sure it's up to date, which it is. Now we're going to go preferences, put your password in. Once you get to this screen, you're looking for AUR, Snap, and Flatpack. Everything else you shouldn't have to change unless you want to set the mirrors from worldwide to your specific location. The AUR, I would recommend you enable the AUR. The AUR is awesome, and the AUR is going to be where we're getting Google Chrome from. Select check for updates so that whatever you install through the AUR will continue to be updated. Same for Flatpak, check for updates. Snap is up to you. I don't personally have a problem with how Canonical is running snaps. I have issues with snaps actually working for me, so I'm not going to update it or enable it. But if something you use is from Snap, go ahead and enable that. Once you've done those, hit close. It is going to check for updates. Go back to browse. We're going to search for Google Chrome. We're going to just go ahead and select on AUR over here on the left hand side, and that brings up Google Chrome right there. Select build, hit apply. It's going to tell you what needs to be done in order for this to install. The first time you use the AUR, it will take a little longer just because it might need to install a few extra things like you see here. It's going to install all this. That is the first time that I use the AUR. Hit apply. Now it's going to do all of that which it said it needed to do. If you want details, click right there. Doesn't automatically scroll. That's disappointing. But you can watch what it's doing. Right now it's actually building Google Chrome. It has already installed all the necessary files, which was really quick. And now it's building. Done and done. That was actually kind of quick. That was nice. So now we have in our internet, we have Google Chrome. It doesn't get any easier. Now, same thing for installing anything else. And just for an example, we're going to look at Zoom. There's Zoom, Flatpak, FlatHub. It is 5.3.47. It's not in the repositories. It is in the AUR. Zoom 5.3.47, which is exact same. And Flatpak we've already looked at. So when you're installing, after you enable AUR and Snap and Flatpak, you can choose which one you want to install something from. This is the Flatpak variety. If you want the AUR, just click the AUR and build it. If you know you want the Flatpak or the Snap, just click on it and install it. Super simple, very awesome. It is one of the reasons I think Manjaro is the best right now. It is super stable. It is very close to bleeding edge. It is a rolling release, and the way they have done this software center, easily enabling the AUR Flatpack and Snap, I think is just incredible. Thank you, Manjaro. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time.